Virology is a pseudoscience, and the viruses they claim cause disease have never actually been proven to exist. It all started with germ theory. When Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch couldn't find a bacteria for every disease, they didn't question their theory. They invented a scapegoat, an invisible, filterable agent smaller than bacteria. The virus wasn't discovered. It was a concept created to save a failing hypothesis. From the very beginning, its existence was inferred, not proven. When virologists say they isolated a virus, you probably picture them taking a sample from a sick person and separating a pure virus particle. That has never happened. Not once. Here's what they actually do. They take unpurified fluid from a sick person, a mix of mucus, bacteria, human cells, and who knows what else. They don't clean it. Instead, they mix this gunk with toxic antibiotics, animal serum, and then dump it onto a culture of cells, usually from monkey kidneys or aborted human fetuses. They starve and poison these cells for days until they start to break down and die. They call this cell death the cytopathic effect, and they claim it's proof a virus is killing the cells. The resulting toxic soup of dead cells and chemicals is what they call a virus isolate. They never prove a virus was in the sample to begin with. They just assume it, and then use the cell death they created as proof. It's completely circular reasoning. But what about the pictures from the electron microscope? Those famous spiky balls? They take a drop of that same toxic soup, subject it to a destructive chemical process that kills and distorts everything, and then look at the debris under a microscope. They point to a random particle, which is indistinguishable from normal cellular debris or exosomes, and declare, that's the virus. No purification, no proof it came from a person, no proof it's pathogenic. It's just pointing at a dot and telling a story. And the viral genomes? They're created on a computer. They take all the random genetic fragments from that unpurified cell culture soup, human DNA, monkey DNA, bacterial DNA, and use software to stitch together a sequence they think looks like a virus. This digital model is then called the reference genome. It's not from a real purified virus. It's an in silico creation. That's why there are millions of variants for something like SARS-CoV-2. They're just tweaking the computer model. It's a digital phantom, not a biological reality.